Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup, my signature look. A couple of days back on Instagram, I asked you guys if you would want to know how I do my makeup whenever I go out anywhere, like meeting a friend, going to a cafe, shopping. I always do this makeup. I follow a very minimal skincare and makeup routine, especially since it's summer. I do not use a foundation whenever I go out. This makeup look is without foundation, without a highlighter, without a contour, and I've just used a handful of products. This is a perfect beginner's makeup tutorial and I specially did it for matured skin. Alright, so now let's get started. So since summer is here, it's my favorite season by the way, sometimes my skin feels very dry and dehydrated. I really have to take good care of my skin because I do shoot a lot and use a lot of harsh lights, or else my skin becomes dull and it loses out on the glow. So I make sure even before makeup, I prep my skin really well. Especially since I'm 37 now, I need something extra for matured skin. Recently, I've been using the Ayurveda Amaroopa Wrinkle Repair and Firming Face Oil. It is specially formulated for matured skin. It not only firms and moisturizes the skin, but it also reduces the signs of aging like wrinkles and prevents crow's feet. I also needed something for my under eye dark circles. Abhi to utna hai nahi kyunki I've been constantly using this and it's amazing for that, and it also beautifully hydrates my skin. So it's got Centella asiatica, which is anti-inflammatory, anti-aging herb. It has Indian gooseberry and citrus fruits, which has loads of vitamin C. It has oleic acid, carrot seed oil and arjuna extract, and all of these strengthen the skin and it gives a very plump and even toned skin. It's very lightweight and it gets absorbed quickly, so it's perfect for summer season. I've been using it both in the mornings and in the night since the past couple of days, and my skin feels very nourished, hydrated, and it's got the glow back, and I can see that it has reduced my under eye dark circles. But if you're using it during the daytime, do not forget to use a sunscreen. So after I cleanse my face, I apply 2-3 drops of the oil and massage it into my skin in upward strokes. I also apply it on my neck. Fun fact, I checked their clinical trials and I was so impressed. It's all over their website. It states 15% firmer skin, 36% smoother skin, and 31% reduction in under eye dark circles, which I've seen it for myself. I loved it so much that I gifted one to my mom. It's great for gifting your mom, aunt, sister, whoever has matured skin. Plus, I also use it under my makeup and sometimes mix it with my foundation. Alright guys, so I will start first with my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm going to take the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer, and I have been loving this eyebrow product since the time I started using it. I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills in the past, and trust me, this is very similar to that. So I'm just going to fill in my brows really nicely. Trust me, your brows can make or break your look. Then to set my brows, I do use Benefit Gimme Brow. I love using this because it just sets my brows so nicely and gives it a proper shape. I do not use any foundation on my skin. Now I'm going to use the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer. On regular days, I do not color correct. I just apply a tiny bit of concealer and then I blend it with my fingers so that you don't see a line. Just bring down the concealer and start blending it in the skin. I love this concealer. You can use whatever concealer works best for you. Now we're gonna apply some blush. I normally use tints. Actually, I've got lots of tints, but my favorites are Benefit Posietint, Benefit Benetint, the Face Shop Water Fit Tint. Today I'm gonna use the Posietint by Benefit, and I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks, just like that, and start blending it. I just apply it all over my cheeks, and whatever's left on my fingers, I just apply it on my nose, just for that sun-kissed look. Sometimes I do top it off with another tint. I'm going to add this Face Shop Water Fit Tint. Benefit is more watery, but this one is a little bit more thick, so you just got to work with it really fast. Otherwise, it's going to settle down patchy. I'm going to do the same to the other cheek. So I also take the tint and apply it on top of my eyelid and then blend it real quick. It gives this beautiful, youthful, rosy effect. Now I'm going to set my under eye area with a powder. I normally use the Maybelline Fit Me, also the Botanico Timeless Matte Compact. Today I'm going to be using the Kiro one. I just take some and apply it under my eyes. I do not apply powder anywhere else. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes. I love using two mascaras. First one I use is the Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. This is great. It just looks so natural and it does not clump my eyelashes at all. This is actually one of the best mascaras I've ever come across. For a natural look, this is it. And also for my bottom lashes, I love using this. Sometimes I do my bottom lashes, sometimes I don't. It just really depends on my mood. I just let it sit for some time and then I use this Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. It just adds a lot of volume and it just makes your eyelashes like as if you've applied fake lashes. It just makes it so pretty and beautiful. Next, what I do is I take the color bar. It's a Scandal Kajal. This is in the shade Last Call. It's a beautiful plum brown shade. I just apply it on my lower lashes, not very thick but a very thin line, and just blend it with my finger so that the line doesn't look that harsh. So what it does is it just gives a little bit of definition to the eyes. I don't use a black kajal because I just think that it looks very harsh. I personally do not like that look for a regular outing. Next, for my upper lash line, I will take this Rimmel Scandaleyes kajal. This is also a brown kajal and I love using brown kajal. It just looks so soft, yet it defines your eyes. I'm going to line my upper lash line and I'm going to do it very close to the lashes and again smudge it with my finger so that there are no harsh lines. Next, for my lipstick, I'll show you what I have been using recently and I'm in love with this shade. This is from Wet n Wild. It's their liquid catsuit matte lipstick in the shade Gimme Mocha. This is a very pretty shade and I take the excess out and then I just dab it on my lips and smudge it with my fingers. And that is all I do. I do not apply any foundation. I just make sure that my skin is really well prepped. I do use the sunscreen after I use the oil. I just did not use it today because I'm not going out anywhere. Right now it is 10 o'clock at night and I did this makeup look for you guys so that I can show you guys how I generally do my makeup. Otherwise, whenever I go out, I always use the sunscreen. Even if I'm not going out, I always use a sunscreen every single day. So do not forget to use a sunscreen. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, then do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Do not forget to mention in the comment section below what makeup look you want me to do next, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.